Welcome to SonicWall Video Solutions. My name is Kritika Nakshatri. In this video, we will demonstrate how to discover the IPv6 path MTU with PMTU Discovery tool. A maximum packet size, known as MTU, is specified for every network link. The full transmission path between the source node and the destination node may cross different link MTUs, and the smallest link MTU on the path is the path MTU, commonly known as PMTU. For IPv6 packets, when the source node attempts to transmit a packet to a destination node through a router that has a link MTU smaller than the packet size, the IPv6 router will automatically send an IPv6 packet too big message back to the source node. When the source node receives the message, it will adjust the outgoing packet size to the updated PMTU value. The diagnostic tool on the SonicWall interface, which is PMTU Discovery tool, supports IPv4 as well as IPv6 PMTU Discovery from Sonic OS version 5.9. PMTU Discovery tool is a diagnostic tool which can determine the maximum transmission unit on the network path between the SonicWall security appliance and a remote host. In order to demonstrate the working of the Path MTU tool, we are using a SonicWall NSA 220 with the firmware version 5.9.0.6. Under the System tab, Diagnostics, click on the drop-down provided for the diagnostic tool and select PMTU Discovery. Provide the IPv6 address at the Path MTU Discovery to this host or IP address option. Interface can be specified to a particular WAN interface or left at any, and click on Go. You will see a pop-up on the screen and the discovered path MTU. Here the path MTU is specified as 1404. Since this tool uses a pop-up, we need to make sure that the browser that is being used has pop-up blockers disabled. This tool assists operators in troubleshooting MTU-related network problems. The operator can determine the MTU size on a network path and configure the MTU for the SonicWall security appliance below the path MTU size to avoid the potential delay caused by negotiation of the MTU size and other MTU-related network issues. This brings us to the end of this video on how to discover IPv6 path MTU with PMTU Discovery tool. To learn more about Dell SonicWall security products, please visit dellsoftware.com/solutions/network-security. For more video tutorials, visit dellsoftware.com/support. I hope this has been informative, and thank you for watching this video.